Prepare to be amazed. So this is a retouch from a photo shoot I did back in 2020, and I just wanted to use the new skills that I acquired since then and the new tools that Photoshop has presented, like the AI retouching. So I just wanted to use the new skills on an old photo shoot I did back in the day. So without further discussion, let's get it.